Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got another guess what's in the box video. It's a pretty large bag. I picked it up from eBay, I'm pretty sure, but it's in an Amazon bag. I'm pretty sure the guy just used a bag that he had laying around to ship the item. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is going to be a quick guess what's in the bag box video. This bag is pretty large. It is 16 3/4 of an inch long by 13 3/8 wide, and the thickest portion of the bag is close to about 1 1/4 of an inch thick. I'm pretty sure this is one of the items that I purchased from eBay. Should be a HDMI and USB 6-foot extension for the Pioneer AVIC 8200 NEX stereo unit. I could be wrong though. I do have a couple other packages here. There's 3 sitting there. This one. But, you know, just a quick video. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you guys think is in this. We're going to rip it open in the next video. Appreciate you guys watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Got all the components on the steering rack and everything installed on the Limited 4Runner. Waiting for another rack to show up because I got everything installed and realized when I put some fluid in the system that there was something wrong with that rack and it's puking all the fluid out. So wasted a little bit of fluid, which is not a big deal. I've got a bunch of ATF fluid, but you know, that's just an update. The only thing that's still in here is the sway bar. Cleaned up all my tools. Just a quick update. Put them in this AWP tote. Everything that I was using. The stereo is still in here. I actually changed out the box, put it in a bigger box. But there's a couple other items I'm waiting for to show up for the stereo. And you know, that's basically it. Just a quick video. Appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!